Welcome to Cambridge Driving Instructors. A lot of people failed the practical test on roundabouts. Today, I will show you how you can navigate from King Hedges Road to Milton via Milton Roundabout 3rd exit towards Milton with navigation. If you need any driving lessons, test preparation or mock test, please contact us, Cambridge Driving Instructors. And also visit our website, cambridgedrivinginstructors.com, or contact our number 07778899123. I need your support. Please like and subscribe my channel. Share it with your family and friends. Thanks. Let's see the test route video.
After 200 yards, turn left, A1309, Milton Road. Turn left. After 300 yards, go straight on A1309 Milton Road. Then go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit towards Milton. Go straight on, then go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit. Go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit. Take the exit. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the 2nd exit, Cambridge Road. Cross the roundabout and take the 2nd exit.